Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hi everyone, this is the problem based on potential energy of the spring given by half kx square and gravitational potential energy given by mgh. Here it is given buggy falls 41-meter distance and the cord having length 30 meter. So extension in the cord is 41 minus 30, that is 11 meter. So energy stored in the spring half kx square half k into 11 square. So it is to be equal to 60.5 k stored in energy in Vergi cord is equivalent to gravitational potential energy at height equal to drop distance. Hence, gravitational potential energy you will get mgh, that is 95 is the mass of Vergi, g 9.8 into 41. So it is to be 38210 Newton into meter. Now it is equal to 38210 is equal to 60.5 into k. So k will be equal to 632 Newton per meter. Extension of Vergi cord in test case will be f upon k, that is 380 upon 632, that is 0.602 meter. That's all. Thanks for watching it.